curve called failure, a loop called confusion, speed bumps called friends, red lights called enemies, and caution lights called family. But if you have a spare called determination, an engine called perseverance, an insurance called faith, and a driver called Jesus, you will make it to a place called success. Good morning, respectable guests, teachers, and my dear friends. Myself Divya Patil, studying in class 10. Today, I am going to narrate a success story. This story is about the man who is trying to shape our future. The man who with his hard work became the billionaire CEO of SpaceX and Tesla. Now you would have understood whom I am talking about. Yes, Elon Musk. Elon Musk was born in South Africa. He was a bookworm and an awkward boy who was really interested in computers and in sci-fi. Instead of hanging out with friends, he spent a lot of time reading. When his parents got divorced, he said that he felt sorry for his dad and decided to move with him. But he soon realized that wasn't a good idea. In an interview, Elon described what he said was a miserable childhood. Elon said that his father was emotionally and verbally abusive to his children. He believed that Elon will never succeed in his life. He said that he was an idiot. Elon was also brutally bullied in his school. His classmates pushed him down a concrete stairwell. One time, he was beaten so badly that he needed to go to the hospital. It is very difficult of almost excruciating experiences both at home and the school. It almost led Elon Musk to leave South Africa. But how his life changed? When Elon got his first computer, he immediately got interested in programming and he started to learn by himself. At the age of 12, he earned $500 by selling a computer game called Blaster, which he created by himself. He received an economics degree and a degree in physics from the University of Pennsylvania. He started a PhD at Stanford University but dropped after 2 days to pursue an entrepreneurial career. He sold his first company, Zip2, for $300 million at the age of 26. He co-founded PayPal, and after selling PayPal, he received $180 million. He took a huge risk with his money as he invested all of them in both of his new companies, SpaceX and Tesla Motors. Both of his companies almost went bankrupt during the recession. But Elon did not give up. He bounced back, and today these companies are worth $1 billion. He stated that the goals of SpaceX, Tesla and SolarCity revolve around his vision to change the world in humanity. But what makes him so special? Elon is incredibly hard worker. Nobody says that you have to do the same thing, but you should remember the ethics of Elon. Whenever you feel exhausted and ready to give up, remember Elon. Whenever you are unmotivated and uninspired, he is a great example for pushing you forward. If you are not doing the same thing, you are losing your greatest potential. Elon's life choices are an inspiration and motivation to all. He is taking tremendous risks, bouncing back from failures, not giving in fear, and trying to achieve the impossible. If you want to be the next Elon Musk, want to do something very important to you or doing something very important to support your family, you will face hardships on your way to success. But you should overcome it. The person who survived the failures has gained irreplaceable knowledge and will become unstoppable. So the message that we get from this story is hard work is the one and only way to success. Thank you.